Did you just send an email with a mistake? Learn how to recall it instantly in Zoho Mail. I'll show you the exact steps to recall an email right after sending. Follow along. Start by clicking on New Mail to compose a new message. Then click on the Email Recipient box to add a recipient. Now select the email user from the list that appears. Go ahead and type in your subject line. Once that's done, click on Send to dispatch the email. Immediately after sending, click on Sent to view your sent messages. Then click on the status icon next to the email you want to recall. Finally, click on Recall this email to initiate the recall process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.